Most beginners think lowering their price will get them more customers. But what if I told you that's exactly why they stay broke? Two people can sell the exact same product. One makes $6 a day, the other makes $600. Same product, same market. So what's the difference? Pricing. And if you get this wrong, your business will struggle no matter how good your product is. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I worked with two beginners starting online service businesses. Both of them offered logo design. Same tools, same skill level, but their results completely different. The first guy priced his service at $5. He thought, if I'm cheaper, more people will buy. And they did. But here's what happened. He got demanding clients, low-quality buyers, endless revisions. And he was working 10 to 12 hours a day just to make a few dollars. He was exhausted and still broke. Now the second guy, he priced his service at $100. Same quality, but he positioned himself differently. He focused on value, not price. He got fewer clients, but better ones. Clients who respected his work. Clients who paid without arguing. Clients who came back again. And within months, he was earning more, working less, and growing faster. So here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Low prices don't build businesses. They destroy them. Pricing is not about being cheaper. It's about perceived value. Customers don't wake up thinking, let me find the cheapest option today. They think, who can solve my problem best?
And if your price is too low, you actually look less trustworthy. Because in business, price sends a signal. Cheap price equals low value. Higher price equals higher trust. That's how human psychology works. Now let me simplify pricing for you. There are only 3 ways beginners price their product or service. Number 1, cost-based pricing. This is where you calculate your cost and add a small profit. For example, if something costs you $20, you sell it for $30. This is safe but limited because it ignores one important thing, the customer. Number 2, competitor-based pricing. Here, you look at what others are charging and price slightly above or below them. This is better because now you understand the market, but there's still a problem. You're still following, not leading. Number 3, value-based pricing. This is where real money is made. This is what most successful businesses use. You don't price based on your cost, you price based on the result you deliver. Let me give you a simple example. If your service helps someone make $1,000 and you charge $100, that's a no-brainer deal. But beginners don't think like this. They think, how cheap can I go? Instead of asking, how much value do I provide? That one shift changes everything. Now let's talk about the biggest pricing mistakes that are killing your business. Mistake number 1, pricing too low to get customers. This attracts the worst type of clients, people who don't respect your time and always ask for more.
Mistake number 2, competing only on price. If your only advantage is being cheaper, someone will always beat you, and you'll end up in a race to the bottom. Mistake number 3, not understanding your value. If you don't know the result you deliver, you can't price confidently, and customers can feel that hesitation. Mistake number 4, no positioning. Two people can sell the same thing, but the one who positions better charges more. Branding, communication, confidence all matter. So here's a simple framework you can use starting today. Step 1, know your cost. Understand your minimum. Step 2, research your competitors. Know your market range. Step 3, define your value. What result do you actually deliver? Step 4, price slightly higher than average. Position yourself better. Step 5, improve your presentation. Better messaging, better branding, better confidence. Because here's the truth, people don't just buy products, they buy trust. If you remember one thing from this video, remember this: cheap prices attract cheap customers. Smart pricing builds a real business. Stop trying to be the cheapest. Start trying to be the most valuable. Because the moment you shift from I need customers to I provide value, that's when your business actually starts growing. If you want to build a real business, not just chase small sales, make sure you subscribe. Because on this channel, I break down real business strategies in a way that actually makes sense and helps you grow.